Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister for Electronics and Information Technology, said in a statement posted on social media platform, and I quote, "It is astounding that Twitter, which portrays itself as the flag bearer of free speech, chooses the path of deliberate defiance when it comes to the intermediary guidelines." Prasad made the post after reports highlighting that Twitter was likely set to lose its legal protection, which is granted to social media intermediaries. Prasad, however, was non-committal on whether Twitter has really lost its status as a social media intermediary. Bahujan Samaj Party President Mayawati Wednesday accused the Samajwadi Party of propagating lies about some BSP MLAs joining their party. The former Chief Minister also underlined that the SP is aware of the fact that if it inducts expelled BSP MLAs, there will be rebellion and split in the party. This comes a day after at least 5 expelled BSP MLAs met SP President Akhilesh Yadav in Lucknow, leading to speculation about them joining the SP in the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh Assembly polls in 2022. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday said that the government has made an ambitious plan to keep 5,000 health assistants ready, who can also be called community nursing assistants in technical language. Addressing a media briefing, Chief Minister Kejriwal said that the 5,000 youths will be trained by IP University for 2 weeks each. These health assistants will be working under the guidance of doctors and nurses, and they will not be able to take any decision on their own. They will be strictly following the orders of doctors or nurses. Online applications for these roles will be available from June the 17th and training starts on June 28th. Eligible candidates should have cleared class 12th and should be over the age of 18. Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar is in Delhi today, and though his appointments are not known, he may meet Home Minister Amit Shah and possibly even the Prime Minister. The governor flew to Delhi last evening, hours after new flashpoints in his feud with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, the public release of a letter slamming her government's handling of post-poll violence in the state. Your studied silence, coupled with absence of any steps to engage in rehabilitation and compensation to alleviate the unimaginable suffering of people, force an inevitable conclusion that all this is state-driven, Dhankar said in his public letter. The government also hit back in a series of tweets. A Pakistani court has adjourned till October 5 the hearing of a government's plea to appoint a counsel for Indian death row prisoner Kulbhushan Jadhav on request of the country's top law officer, according to a media report. Jadhav, the 50-year-old retired Indian Navy officer, was sentenced to death by a Pakistani military court on charges of espionage and terrorism in April 2017. On Tuesday, the Islamabad High Court adjourned the hearing of the government's plea to appoint counsel for Jadhav till October 5 at the request of the Attorney General for Pakistan, Khalid Javed Khan.